1, 2, 3, team! Alright, catch you later.
Time, Scout.
That's I learned the hard way yesterday, and this is another good reason. Back up your shit and use Git. Hey, back up your shit. Use Git. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. I'm gonna get you. Fine. I accept my fate. And dead. Sooty's revenge.
I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm gonna eat a lotta.
My head. It's my head. It's so big. It's like a beehive inside my brain. Uh-oh. I'm going to open up windsurf. Whoa. Forget I did that. Pendulum like this, it goes bam, 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 bam. Just like that. Whoa.
That dark really takes away from the outlines that I have, though.
Some new Cat 6. Or something. Because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. Dun dun dun. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Man on the moon. If you believe they put a man on the moon.
I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm gonna eat a lotta.
I cannot make word come say blah 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 blah. Repeat. Fuck it, say whatever. Unedited first draft. Nobody's gonna care. And that's how I feel.
That's why it looks away. But I'm trying to plan out my paths, which is why we've got the lines trailing me. And I'm gonna call this Tutorial Cave. Just finished up with Tutorial Cave.
Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey!
My bullets are carrying me away. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, "Oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy," over and over again from that clip. When copyright infringement. So I think I'll have a redeem to impersonate Foolbox. No, 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 no. Let's clear out this cache here. And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go. And then you blow. There. That's a skill that you learned. Guess what? I'm gonna chase you with the chainsaw. Yay! It's as bad as ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. Hello, hello, welcome in. How's everybody doing? Ooh, I've got some microphone problems here. Need to fix that. Or not. Proton, what's up? Ah, everything's ruined. I pooped my pants. Wait for it. Wait for it. Welcome.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
What is going on with my mic? Holy crap. Welcome in, Chirpy. How you doing? Angry Tweety's here. Sorry, Mad Chirpy. Welcome, welcome. Is my mic, like, coming through weird? Like it's... Am I getting weird sounds? Here, let me see. But welcome in, Chirpy. How you doing? I don't know if it's just OBS, but like, here's my mic, and it's like having a hard time going down. Wait, that didn't come out the way that I expected it to, but I stand by it. Welcome in, Chirpy. I would ask how your stream was, but I'm also a raider because I was just over there working on Shroud of Gloom. Do it, do it, do it. There it is. There it is. Proton, yeah, I do have a compressor. I think it might be an issue with... Like it's picking up something here. Hold on, hold on. Interesting. It's doing weird things. Ooh. Hold on, hold on. Also, no, thank you. Thank you, Chirpy. I appreciate you coming in. Everybody go wishlist that shit. Let me exit this really quick. One second. All right, yeah, go get some rest. Thank you for bringing your community over. I will give my intro. Now, how about this? There, it looks a lot better. It's actually getting the... You see, I had a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff here that just wasn't being read for some reason, like the input level and all that. So sorry. Welcome in, K-Mac. Thank you for helping me out with that. Again, wish list, Shroud of Gloom, where to go. Hold on, let me make sure there. Click there. Click there. Click here. It is a good game. Get the demo. Go, seriously, get the demo. Play it. Enjoy it. Tell a friend. Leave a review. Is good game. So welcome in, Raiders. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer, but on stream I do some game dev, or at least attempt to. Currently I'm working on a Smash TV, let's say Smash TV inspired game, top-down shooter, and just going through getting a lot of the main parts of it put together. I just got a game manager going, but I don't have any levels other than the first one. But when I hit the play button, it works. Look at that, it works. Maybe, okay, there are my little mices. I hate these mices to pieces. So I've been working on getting the functionality of it more so than the look, although I have spent a lot of time on the look, but not as much as my brain tells me that I want to, or that I should, because, well, I'm not good at art. Proton, nice. What jam? Hopefully you can remember, otherwise that would be a really, really bad example. So if you like what you see, Raiders, feel free to drop a follow. If you really like it, feel free to drop a sub. If you really, really hate it, do both. Just to show me who's a boss. Yeah, that's it. So also, regardless of your thoughts, I am using an AI coach for this a little bit. I'm not having it write code for me for the most part. I mean, there's some like little tasks that I have it do, but for the most part, I'm using a set of rules Oh, this is tinified. Should probably restart this because it doesn't look right. Anyway, set of rules. For philosophy, you're an educational assistant. Your role is to teach and guide, not to write code. Oh, Ponce. I built my overlay in Godot. So everything that you see is a this cobbled together Godot plus StreamerBot plus OBS thing all rolled into one. So I've got Godot connected to StreamerBot via WebSockets. And when events happen on Twitch, StreamerBot sends the events over to Godot, to the game that's running. And when people chat, then they get a little TV. Puff and snort. It's not. It's not. It might. It might. So I've really come around, Jim. I've really come around. At first, I was, and I think a lot of people were very, very like, I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to touch it. But it's all in the way that you use it. It's in the way that you use it. Remember that song? I think that if you use it as a full crutch, and if you just say, do this thing for me, without learning anything, it's a bad time. Exactly, Puff and Snort. Exactly. It is a tool just like everything else. Think about it. And I am fresh off of a training through work because, of course, AI is a buzzword and everybody needs to, any investors anywhere for anything are asking, well, how is AI going to fit into your product? What are you doing with AI? So we're the engineering team, we're learning stuff about it, and some things that we were taught during that training really made some sense to me. I mean, if you think about it, let's go back. Let's hop into the Wayback Machine here. Okay, let's look back at like early days of computing. Punch cards, right? Flipping switches, punch cards, paper tape. Along comes, how about instead of punch cards, let's type in instructions. Oh no, that's gonna take away all the jobs of the people who are punching cards. The people aren't ever going to be able to punch cards again. The computing is going to be done. It didn't die. So you got the very high level languages, or sorry, low level languages that are still very computerish. Like COBOL, Fortran, stuff like that. And then along comes newer languages that have human type syntax, where it's not just 0-1 or 1-0 or abbreviated assembly language. Yes, Proton, exactly. That's the word I was looking for. Yeah, you get the human readable language. Oh no, that's going to take away my job. That's going to ruin everything. And keep on going down the line. Programming has gotten a lot more human readable. Now we're just to another step of having a tool that helps to write code. But I think that the intent behind it needs to be there, and you need to know what you're trying to accomplish rather than just saying, hey, make a thing for me. Because if you just say, hey, make a thing for me and don't know how it works, well, you're just setting yourself up for a bad time. Because it'll make that thing. You'll think it works. And then you deploy it, you have people use it. And then security holes come up and you get sued. Yeah. So Jim, there are ways, and this was the thesis statement of the training that I did. And it really resonated with me. Using an AI assistant like Claude, like Windsurf, like Cursor. Welcome in, Stony. How's it going? Any of these tools. I've been playing with Codex lately. You've got to think of it as a new developer, a junior developer who doesn't know anything. Proton, I'll if you want to put in a link, I'll try to I'll check it in a bit. But the thing is, as soon as you close that window, or as soon as you end that chat, and the next time you open it, you've got a brand new developer that you have to teach everything to. So what they recommended, and what you could do a lot with like Cursor or Windsurf, which is what I use, is using rules. Or there's another format called Agent MD, which is a agent.md. Even a top level domain. Open format for guiding coding agents. Examples: tell it what to do. You're writing instructions. You write it once, and excuse me. Then you can say, hey, refer back to the rules. The other thing is having prompts, which I have in my Godot project here, a task creation prompt. I'm probably only going to use it once, but I wanted to have it in here just in case I make significant changes. And what this prompt does is it went through my entire GDD, game design document, looked for tasks that haven't been accomplished yet, and then it put them into the Kanban board. And I'm using the Kanban task board in the Godot engine, and I only wrote like 3 tickets here, 3 of these tickets. Everything else, it went through and did, and all I had to do, if I'm being honest, I had Codex create the prompt, made some tweaks to it, and then said, run this prompt. And it went through and it did as asked. I think that's a good use of it. What I'm having it do over here on this side is I'm having it explain things to me. It does occasionally mess up and starts writing code, but then I just have to be like, look at the rules that we have here. See, like, I didn't ask for direct code this time. Please refer to the rules again, because it did give me, it's not a lot, but it gave me some code here. Like, look at the rules. Look at the rules. And you're absolutely right. That's going to be the words that ring in the Robopocalypse. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. I apologize. And it explains out concepts. It asks questions and helps me decide what's going to be the best route to go, by making recommendations and not just prescribing. Again, it's a tool. The TLDR of an LLM or AI is that it's basically really, really fancy autocomplete, because all it knows is the next word. It just finds what the next word is going to be. But that goes back to the Jim, you saying about keeping the token count. So there are ways to compress a chat that you have to compress to get kind of the gist in there. But I found, at least in my opinion, that having things that are going to be reusable, or an example of what the project is available, really helps out. See, like I can real quick just do an init in Codex here, which is a CLI. And it's going to look through my project, and it's going to create a quick, well, not quick, but a description of what the project is. And now I could create a new chat that, this will have no recollection of. And it'll be able to look at agents MD and be like, oh, okay, cool. All right, Proton, let's take a look at your memory game. Maybe. Oh, nice. Sure about that name? Yeah, sure about that name. See what we got here. Ooh, some GIMP. Oh, it had a timestamp? Oh, so it did. That's a lot of stream. 12:35. Okay. Yeah, it's a fractal. It's a fractal in the background. Ooh, a match. Nice. Looks good. Ooh. Very cool. And you said written in assembly. That is awesome. Set of 5s. Okay, that's a lot of memory. All right, let's get back over here. All right, so here, added agent MD, did that, and it just says, this is a thing. Build, test, development commands. Not quite right there, but follow this. Testing guidelines, no automated test suite exists yet. For manual test notes, keep reproducible steps, blah, blah, blah. All right. So if I were to do a bunch of stuff and then new, yep. Codex new. All right. What? Another update? Hold on. npm install there. Let's do that. Restart. Exit. Oh, wait. I need to do a command. Exit. There we go. Cool. Cool. Okay. So that is my rant, on I don't think AI is going to take the job of developers. However, developers who understand and use AI are going to have the advantage. Why do I look so dark? Am I going through my goth phase? Ooh, that's a bright ass light right in my face. Okay. All right, so we got the exactly, and there are workarounds, like having the agents MD or consolidating or compressing conversations. Which did that codex? Why didn't it? Changed one package. Okay, great. I need to. All right, update. Da-da-da-da. Sorry. Start. Looks like there was a change. CLI. No, it looks like this should be CLI reference. Blah 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 blah. Okay, token usage. Why isn't it letting? This is new. This is definitely new. Oh, Reddit has a server error. They're coming after me, Jim. They're coming after me. Double flags. Codex exact. No, codex. Interesting that it's not reading that I updated it, even though I updated it. Why is it reading or not saying that we Stretching. Yeah. If I'm pronouncing your name wrong, this goes for anybody. If I'm pronouncing your name wrong, please correct me. Please. I'd rather not be the jerk who just keeps saying the wrong thing over and over again. CS Trake N. Got it. CS Trake N. Cool. Cool. C-Stron. Gotcha. Kill terminal. I just did it. Oh, compact, not compress. Compact. My bad, y'all. All right, but still, npm install. R X. All right, let's do the bun install. Let's do the bun install. Lab view to program test equipment. You know, that's cool. It's getting there, but again, AI, quote unquote AI, is nothing but very advanced autocorrect or autocomplete. It's like Clippy on crack. Codex. What? Okay, npm list. Okay, so it's there. Is this? Okay. Get status? What? Nope, nope, nope. Yes. Yeah, that's all fine. Where? Ooh, let's grep. Let's grep. Oh, I didn't grep. Okay, okay. Extensions. Ooh. And this is doing a grep here. Okay, it's not running, which is weird. 4 gig model is as smart as a high schooler. 2 movies worth of data, someone who qualifies for loans, and to join the military. All right, Codex. Okay. I've updated Codex on the command line, however, it keeps prompting me to update. How can I fully quit you? Yep. Oh. Codex. Help. Update. F. Okay. Okay, so here. I don't know, maybe it's just the fact that Ubuntu is still running. Codex. Dev mention status. Fully exit. Fully exit. Let's do it again. Codex. Wait as well. Okay, what is going on here? Ooh, wait, what? There's a problem. Yeah, Jim, let's step away from that. Codex. Ooh, did it get rid of the thing? Yes, finally. Finally. Okay. That was a whole waste of like an hour. Well, maybe half an hour. Seastrun, I completely understand. I usually have it running in the background while I'm working. I think I have a problem. Because knowledge is power. Odious, welcome in. Thank you for being first. Appreciate you. And knowing is half the battle. Mr. Body Massage. Ooh, body massage. Odious, I've been okay. I've got a headache like crazy. I've got a migraine. These lights that I have on my face right now probably aren't helping, so I don't know how long I'm gonna last. I wasn't feeling the greatest last night, but I feel bad because I'm planning on doing a 24-hour stream on Saturday. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna start around 8 Central or 9 Central. 8 Central, yeah. Tim Krabs, I'm going for 24 hours. Take your time to show up whenever you can show up. Also, welcome in Captain Krabs. What was I just doing? Oh yeah. Incubus. I'm not a huge fan of Incubus. That's fine. I'm just gonna be hanging out playing games. And you know what? If chat wants to play games, if we want to do some Jackbox, we'll do some Jackbox. Otherwise, I'm just gonna play Mega Bunk until my mega eyes mega bleed. Last year was a lot of fun. People got to watch me suffer through Gargoyles. That's right, the original Super Nintendo. Actually, it was Gargoyles remastered, right? Yeah, Gargoyles remastered. But I own it. Where was I playing it? Was I playing it on it was either Epic or GOG? Well, I'd appreciate that, Odious. Every update required. Damn it. Come on. I'm just curious where the hell I had Gargoyles and where I was playing it. Gargoyles. I don't want those. Oh, it's Fortnite Simpsons. No, it's not there. It's not there. Library. No. Where the hell do I own Gargoyles? Where did I play it? I don't know. I do know I played it on something, but I must have uninstalled it. Cease Run, yeah, it's on Steam remastered, but I played it last year, so I'm pretty sure I owned or do own GOG Galaxy maybe. I think that it was one of the Luna games. Ooh, that might be where it is. Jim, no, I have not played that. I think you mentioned that last time. Oh, that's my mod view. That's my mod view, yo. Okay, nope, that. Same games. Ooh. No, it doesn't seem to be here. Where the hell did I play it from? I don't want to play. I want to see my library. My collection. Games. Collected in, let's say, 2024. Just show me all the damn things. Gargoyles Remastered. Delivered on where? Amazon game? Amazon game. Of course it's on Amazon game. I just need to find a way to... Yes, they're very, very, very trash launcher. Library. Yeah, there it is. Oh, gone. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? All this just to be like, yeah, so I do have it. Gargoyles Remastered. I'm not going to pay 15 bucks for it. Yeah, it sucks, but I really liked this game. For as difficult as it was. It was a good remaster, but it's hard as hell. FPGA? What's that? Ooh. Is that relatively new? This looks like something that I would have used for my pinball table. Ah, hardware. Okay. So, Seafront, let me. I built a pinball table that I haven't played in over a year because I enjoyed the process of building it more than I enjoyed playing it. That's me. But it's a virtual table. I'm pretty sure that I've shown this a couple times on here. But let me pop this over. He calls me Goliath. All right, so a little bit of background. This is entirely digital. This is a 4K monitor, 4K 43-inch monitor. That is a... Well, I've replaced that with a 15.6-inch laptop monitor to have a 720 on it. And this is a 720p TV as the back glass. But I put together all the LEDs, all the hardware there. It's got like full haptic feedback. And it's got an accelerometer in it. VPX. For the most part, VPX. There are a couple of them. But there's a lot that goes into it. Like the back glass here is something called a pup pack, where they replace like the back glass with something new and animations or movies or some kind of videos that add to the experience. Like taking Mars Attack from Mars and putting Mars Attacks in it. Perfect. Mwah. All right. I really should start it up and play around a little bit, because it's, oh no, oh no, 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 oh, hold on. Let me see if I could find. It doesn't, I don't have anything. I thought maybe I'd have like a picture of the inside here. When is this? When is this? Oh, that would have been about, I don't even know. Shit. No, that was a bad year. Ooh, that was good. Cybertronian Spree.